What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Today we got a quick guess what's in the box video, aka bag. Guess what's in the bag? It's a pretty large Amazon bag. I picked this item up from Amazon. So please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. What is up, everybody? How's it going? And welcome back to the channel. Before we get started, please like, comment, subscribe, and smush the bell notification icon for future updates. This is actually a pretty large bag. I picked up a bunch of items from Amazon. I'm still waiting for like 5 packages, or no, 7 packages. I had 5 packages here today. But this bag is actually quite big compared to the item that's in it. But this bag is 14 inches wide by 17.5 inches long, and it's gotta be somewhere, it's almost 4.25 inches wide. For the item. But this is just going to be a quick guess what's in the box or bag video. I do think this is what I mistaked as being the items that were the 2 identical items. I think this is the 2 identical items, because in the previous video I showed you guys these kits right here. They actually have different information on them. But if you guys recall, I did show this probe kit and this probe kit right here. I did show these. So I think because I mistake these as the boxes are exactly the same size. I wasn't expecting all of these test leads and stuff to come in a little cardboard box in a little plastic container. I wasn't expecting that. All I saw on my order list was this. So it doesn't show you that it comes in a container. I think this right here, I laid the camera down a little bit, there you go. I think what's in this bag is going to be this item right here, because I can't tell if it's 2 separate items, but it kind of does feel like 2 boxes to me. So I was expecting these 2 boxes to be these, and they're not. Just gotta give you guys an update. Gonna give you guys an idea of why I might have confused them. Because I got lots and lots of other things coming. I got lots of test probes, multimeter leads, some test probes that go into a Lyle kit. I've got some fuse testers, loop testers, and some other stuff coming. So this is just going to be a guess what's in the bag video. I'm not really sure. Maybe this is the only size bag that they had. And I do keep all of these Amazon bags. I usually don't keep the boxes, but I do keep all the bags that I get. Because I can always, like these right here, I can always just retape these up if I need to send something to somebody. Just fold it over, tape it, and the bag's usable again. Same with this one right here. This one I just put a slice to one side, so then I could just fold this over, reseal it, put a sticker further down, cover the sticker up, and use it as a shipping bag. So that's why I keep the bags. I've got a dozen or so of these bags. But that is all I've got for you guys on this video. I'm not going to make this a long video. I did make the other guess what's in the box video long because I wanted to show you guys what's going on. But you know, this one doesn't need to be 8 minutes. Anything under 8 minutes, just to give you guys an idea, you don't get paid for. So if you make a video that's 6 minutes, you don't get paid for it anymore. It used to be anything above 5 minutes you would get paid for ads, and they changed the rules so that way now it requires you to be above 8 minutes on a video before you can even put ads on the video. So it ends up, in my opinion, it ends up kind of stupid. I don't know why. Why does it have to be in particularly 8 minutes? So all the people that do 5-minute or less videos now, you guys don't get paid for your videos. It is stupid. YouTube, I swear they change the rules every freaking week just because they can. But I don't think there is anything else that I can think of. Oh, these Napa strippers, I've actually, they look almost identical to the Snap-ons. These are actually amazing wire strippers and crimpers. I've been using these a lot lately. These are Carlisle's from Napa. These were like 25 bucks, something like that. Pretty good price for these. And you can get them at your local Napa. The Snap-on, I think the Snap-ons, if I remember correctly, they are like 70 bucks, if I remember correctly, for these exact same styles. The only difference is this has a textured handle, where the Snap-ons have a handle similar to these, which is like smooth, not textured, where these are textured. You can actually tell that they're textured. See? Or these are not. So I do like these Carlisle's, and for the price, it's a pretty good budget stripper and crimper to pick up. I think they were 25 bucks. I could be wrong. I did a video on these in particular where I actually showed the price. If I find that video, I'll link it up here for you guys. I think they were between $17 and $25, if I remember correctly. But these aren't bad. I've been using the Milwaukee's also quite a bit. I've got both different styles of Milwaukee's. These have more needle nose. These are more linesman style jaws. They're both spring loaded. The cutters on this one are bigger. These both do from 18 to 8 gauge. So 18, 20, 16, 18, 14, 16, 12, 14, 10, 12, 8, 10. And these are just different sizes. So this is stranded, is on the right side. Solid wires on the left. So if you need 18 stranded, you would use here, not up here. Because the 18 solid is actually smaller than 18 stranded. They're both like that. Stranded, solid. They both have bolt cutters, stud cutters. And they actually do have reamers too. This one has a reamer on it, where this one does not have a reamer. This one's actually rounded. You could probably use it as a reamer too. But this one has more flat jaws. This one's got more of the needle point jaws. These are good as well. These are actually expensive though. These are like $39. These are like during holidays you can get these for like $17. These are usually $29, and these are usually $30 or $49. I don't remember exactly. But that's all I got for you guys. I do appreciate you guys stopping by, and ended up being an 8-minute video. I figured I'd give you guys some, quick tips on a couple pliers that are good if you guys are looking for electrical pliers. Wire strippers, stuff like that. But I do appreciate you all stopping by. As always, go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my DJI Electronics affiliate links, as well as my Ohio Power Tools affiliate links. I hope you guys have an awesome, awesome rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!